Costco, the global retail giant, has filed a lawsuit in the U.S. Court of International Trade, taking the Trump administration to court in a bid to secure refunds on tariffs it paid. The case centers on the sweeping global tariffs imposed by Trump under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA. Many businesses, including Costco, argue the emergency powers law was never intended to grant the president broad authority to levy import duties. According to Costco's complaint, filed on November 28, the company requested more time from U.S. Customs and Border Protection to finalize tariff calculations, a request that was denied. Without that extension, Costco warns, it could lose the ability to recover the money paid even if the courts ultimately strike the tariffs down. Costco is not alone. Dozens of companies, from small-scale importers to major corporations, have initiated similar legal actions. Among them are Bumblebee Foods, EssilorLuxottica, Revlon, Kawasaki Motors, and Yokohama Tire. The broader legal battle has already reached the highest court in the land. On November 5th, the United States Supreme Court heard arguments challenging the legality of Trump's emergency tariff program. Several justices voiced serious doubts across ideological lines over whether the president even had the authority to impose such sweeping levies under IEEPA. Costco's lawsuit does not ask the court to decide on the overall legality of the tariff program. That remains with the Supreme Court. Rather, it seeks to preserve Costco's ability to recover the funds it has already paid or may pay by preventing CBP from finalizing or liquidating its import entries until after the court issues its ruling. For Costco, stakes are high. In its last fiscal year, the company reported $275.2 billion in revenue, underscoring how deeply its business relies on imports. With this lawsuit, Costco could become a bellwether for how America's biggest import-dependent companies respond if the Supreme Court strikes down Trump's tariff regime, and for whether they can be reimbursed for duties they paid under policies later ruled unlawful. Stay tuned. The court's decision could ripple through global trade and reshape the economics of retail, supply chains, and consumer prices across the U.S. and beyond.